Hello everyone, this is Mokajano channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace the spark plugs on your car. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. So the first thing you have to do is to remove this cap. So it's going out this way. And as you can see here, this is the ignition coil. So we have to unscrew here and here, two screws, and to pull out this plug. Okay. Look here on the plug. This. Okay. Well, this is the ignition coil, guys, of an Opel Vectra C. Okay. So as you can see, inside here, here, and here are the spark plugs, and we're ready to unplug them. So now I'm gonna use this and number 16, yes. Okay. Okay, the first one is out, and we're going to do the same thing to the other three. Well, now all the spark plugs, the old ones, are out. We're going to replace them with a new one of the same brand. It's a Boss. Okay, so you can see here, I'm gonna put my camera here and replace one by one. Okay, you put it inside with this side. Okay. So the new spark plugs are inside, and now I'm gonna put back the ignition coil. Put this plug back here. The bolts. It's an easy procedure. You can do it to your car at your home. Okay, we put this cap back. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you soon. Bye.